Hello and welcome to the last week, week 5 of the Reboot Challenge. First of all, congratulations. We got there, we made it, and well done. Congratulate yourself. We've done the work and now we're going to reap the rewards. So this week's blog, we reflect and we integrate. We integrate all the juicy new routines that we brought in and introduced slowly, that is now, you'll see, it will just become momentum, it will amplify, and it will translate. All these things that you've learned will not only help us to optimize our health, it will help to de-stress us, it will help to optimize our problem solving skills, it will help us to be more creative in this environment of constant change. And that's what I want to talk about in this week's blog is notice the changes now that you've optimized mindset, movement, nutrition, connection, integrate it all. Notice reflect on your goals of what you wanted to achieve prior and where you're at now. So maybe there were physical goals of losing weight or becoming more fit. Maybe it was more emotional goals such as de-stressing, letting go of fear, sadness, grief. Maybe you were trying to let go of something. Maybe you were trying to move forward. How are you sitting with all of that now? Really take the time to reflect. Because all of this is going to translate into other areas of your life and how you show up in the world. It's like the metaphor of a thermostat. With so much change that is constant and inevitable, and at the moment in our current global climate, enormous. How much can you use these tools to allow you to anchor within? Because all the answers you seek are within. And like a thermostat would maintain the consistency of inner work and that anchor that you feel within yourself, how can you maintain that inner consistency whilst and despite external chaos and change? That's what I really want you to get out of this Reboot Challenge.